Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to reset your Dodge Journey oil light. This simple process can be done right in your driveway, saving you a trip to the mechanic. First, make sure your vehicle is completely turned off. It's important that no foot pedals are pressed at this point. This ensures we start from a clean slate for the reset procedure. We'll move through each step clearly, so you can easily follow along and get that light off your dashboard. Next, we need to get your vehicle into the run position without actually starting the engine. If you have a push-button start, simply press the start button 2 times without touching the brake pedal. For those with a traditional key, turn it to the on position. You'll see your dashboard lights come alive, but the engine should remain off. This is the correct state for the next crucial step. Now for the key part of the reset. With the ignition in the run position, fully depress the accelerator pedal all the way to the floor. Release it completely, then repeat this action 2 more times. You need to perform these 3 full presses within a quick 10-second window. Make sure each press is deliberate and reaches the floor to ensure the vehicle registers the input correctly for the reset. After completing the 3 accelerator pedal presses, turn your ignition back to the off position. Now, go ahead and start your vehicle as you normally would. The oil change light should now be off, indicating a successful reset. If for any reason the light remains illuminated, don't worry. Simply repeat these steps from the beginning. Sometimes, timing can be a factor, so a second attempt often does the trick.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.